The president's goal here is to put COVID behind us and keep people out of the hospital. Not only is your health important, but our healthcare heroes, they need a break too. Right now, they are tirelessly working to help more than 12,700 COVID patients across the state recover from COVID. But sadly, that is not always the case. And while COVID cases and hospitalizations are decreasing, our state's death rate is actually going up. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido puts a face to the numbers.
At just 29 years old,
I will never forget the day he was diagnosed with cancer. I used to say that was the worst day of my life.
Callie Tidwell's husband fought to beat a rare form of cancer. He did, but wound up back in the hospital months later with COVID-19. Despite being fully vaccinated, his body never created antibodies because of his chemo treatments.
Him being intubated was probably the worst day of my life.
We spoke to Tally a few weeks ago when Ryan was getting better. 1 week later, the former Marine lost his COVID battle on August 17th. Ryan's death happened right as Florida's COVID numbers started rising.
On August 20th, 330 people who are Florida residents died from COVID-19 on that day.
Dr. Jason Salemi with USF Public Health says that was a pandemic high. He says the number of people dying will keep going up.
The deaths are probably going to continue to rise, maybe to 350 deaths per day, but I would say it's safe to say it's probably going to rise for another week or two before we start to see the decline.
And Salemi says this loss of life was preventable. More people needed to be vaccinated.
It just underscores the importance of people going out there and getting vaccinated, protecting themselves and their families.
Callie did just that and hopes others will do the same.
Do it for Ryan, because if we were not at that point with the Delta variant, this wouldn't be happening. He's my soulmate, and he will always be.